3287, 7584, 5449. Wow, everybody. Hope all of you enjoyed this train video here with me, and if you did, go thumbs up on it. Hey, hit that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring people here to my channel. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, hit that subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel. Hey, also do me a favor, hit that notification bell. Whenever I pop up a train video like this, you'll be notified about it. But this was filmed on Thursday, January the 2nd, 2025. Until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National, and this train video's over. Have a good one, everybody. Take care. Thanks for watching.